Okay, Father Dominic Emmanuel, your sense of medicine moving forward and therefore not taking life away from someone when maybe a few years later there might be a cure available to that person.
Yes,
absolutely. And anybody who goes for euthanasia, it is a defeat of science. Actually, why are we putting our hands down, our arms down when science is progressing? Are we prepared, Dr. Bhaskar and Pinky and others, prepared to say that yes, science is defeated? All our inventions are defeated. Let us close our shop and let people die. That is one thing. Secondly, it is not only defeat of science, it is also a defeat of humanity. Particularly in the case of Aruna and many other cases in the world, this brings out the finer human qualities. I mean, look at all the nurses and doctors who are overjoyed and are happy to look after Aruna. What is that coming from? Where is that coming from? I mean, that is coming from the fundamental finer human qualities. Aruna is teaching us actually. We might be thinking that we are taking care of Aruna, but people don't realize that Aruna is actually teaching people to bring out their finer human qualities by looking after her. And are we going to say that humanity is defeated because as human beings we cannot take care of those who are less fortunate or who are suffering?
Mr. Bhaskar, respond to that.
The person is suffering herself.
Medicine is moving forward, and why should we take away from somebody the right for a cure that emerges maybe a few years later?
Can I make a couple of interjections?
Please do.
One, please remember that at one point of time, abortion was murder. Under certain medical and legal provisions, abortion has been allowed. That was not a defeat of science. That was not a defeat of humanity. It was a practical approach to a human situation to maintain the dignity and the well-being of life. There are people who are against abortion. There are people who are not against abortion. Each society arrives at its own decision of what is right for it. In India, culturally also, we are not so averse to a person giving up life. Among Hindus, the ability to give up life is honored. Taking samadhi is honored. Among Jains, refusing food or water, the Santhara process is also revered. In the case of Aruna Shanbhag, there's one more issue. It may sound callous, but it's important. A hospital is a place where a person is treated so that he becomes better. When a hospital finds reason not to be able to cure the person or improve the condition of the person can be removed to the sanatorium, to a nursing home, to a care home, or whatever you call it. This is the reason why even Israel's Prime Minister, when the hospitals found they could not improve his condition, had to leave the hospital in a coma and be taken care of at home. When you block a bed for 37 years, you're blocking thousands of patients from being treated, and that mercy for one becomes unmerciful for hundreds of thousands of people.
Okay, you
need norms where to...
You've made two separate points. Sanjeev Bagai and Dr. Shetty both want to respond to you, but Dr. Shetty, I want to come to you first. R.N. Bhaskar citing the example of abortion and saying, let people decide. Some people are okay with abortion, some people are not. Let there not be one rule. Let people using their own moral judgments decide whether abortion or euthanasia is okay with them or not, and let that law and rule not be enforced on everybody else.
My point is, in our country every day, thousands of people suffer because people without any medical qualification inject medicines, treat patients. These are the quacks, and there is no way we can control all of them. Our legal structure of controlling these medical implementation of the procedures is so hard that how will you prevent people from misusing whatever law you are going to come up with, especially when the person who is in a vegetative state has a lot of assets and a lot of wealth. There are enough sharks hanging around him. We simply do not have the infrastructure to control misuse, so let's not get into that at all.